In April of 2022, my friend Nat and I did a 3-day paddle trip with a Self-Shuttle by bicycle. We paddled over 60 miles on the Gasconade and Missouri rivers, and then rode our bikes, which we had stashed in the woods, back to the car.
All right, here it is, the beginning, the Cooper Hill boat launch.
You on out there? All right, let's get this thing moving.
The water was high on both rivers, but not quite at flood stage. This made for fast travel. After a quick stop for lunch, we realized it was going to be hard to get back on the water.
We got to launch into this. It's a pretty swift current right here. And then we got this stuff going on over here, this whirlpool kind of stuff.
Yeah, keep going.
Somehow, we ended up going through the whirlpools backwards.
Yeah, let's just paddle like we're doing. Let's just paddle. Yeah, now aim for the far shore. Woo! We needed one of those for the trip, and we got it. Where we both got scared shitless for a second.
After more than 30 miles on the river, we found ourselves pushing into a stiff headwind. It was late in the day, so we decided to set up camp. For day 2, we had just a few miles left to go on the Gasconade River before it joined the Missouri River, where we would continue our trip.
Oh, it's actually like a hydrofoil, I think. The whole thing, I bet, goes up off the water. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Yeah, it is.
We pulled over in the town of Hermann to eat a little lunch and seek shelter from the rain in a picnic shelter.
Having a lunch of vegan sand sausage and wraps. Yum. And it's raining. Hopefully it's short-lived.
trying to find my way home. I'm just a lost soul on a lonely road, trying to find my way home. making deals on the street. Gotta find me some peace of mind. Praying on my knees, trying to find my way home. Got nobody, nobody's all I need. I ain't got nobody, nobody's all I need. No, making deals on the street.
Nat's pole broke last night, so we put it together with
Duct tape.
duct tape.
Of
And
course.
now I can't collapse it back down because the duct tape works so well. If you can't fix it with duct tape, you're not using enough duct tape.
For day 3, we only had a few miles to get to New Haven where we had stashed our bikes. The current was swift enough that we had contemplated going past the bikes another 20 miles downstream and then try to get an Uber to get back to the bikes, but we decided against that.
Going to fetch the bikes. Here's the machines.
The ride back to the car was 35 miles on a combination of paved roads and dirt roads.
Yeah, it doesn't look like they're open here.